Hello guys, this is Liuyi Textile company from Shaoxing. Today I will show you the working process of the printing factory. This is on printing crepe fabric. Now we are doing the printing process. This is a circular screen print. The pattern on the roller is our design. Our design is relatively simple. Only black stripes are printed, so we only need one roller. The number of rollers depends on how many colors are printed. Print patterns and colors onto the fabric through the roller. That's why to produce according to your design. We have to make plates first, just to make these patterned rollers. Now the steam process. This steam engine is very large. The case can hold more than 300 meters of fabric. Through the steam process, the color of the print will be better. Just printed, the color is not very black. Now after the steam, the color is much darker. This is the washing process. Our striped print fabric is still in line. Let's first look at how to wash. After washing, it is directly connected to the finishing machine. Neatly dropped and then sent to the last process, setting. Okay, follow our channel to learn more about textile products and production process.